I can't wait to show you this gorgeous 4-bedroom, 3-bath home today. It's built by Southern Crown Homes, and we're here in Royal Highlands in Brooksville, Florida. It's a 2,460 square foot property, and the price starts in the 500s, but they're doing a ton of features that are standard that would have to be upgraded in other builders. So you'll see some of those as you go inside. This is one of my favorite models in here. Let's run inside and take a look. So I'm here in the heart of the home in this beautiful open entertaining space, and I think you'll see why it's one of my favorite floor plans in Hernando County. This one's absolutely decked out. So they have the two-tone contrast on the cabinets, which I love. I have that at my house, and I love the colors that they've used here. But you'll see just how open this is with the tall ceilings. There's plenty of natural light from those sliders at the back of the property. Now, like I mentioned, they're offering a ton of stuff as standard features in their homes that would not be standard features in a lot of the other builders locally. So I'll rattle off some of them because I know that energy efficiency is important to a lot of you guys. So they have the programmable thermostat, the 40-gallon heater. They have the energy code compliant HVAC system, energy efficient low E double pane vinyl windows, which is a huge benefit. And then R30 fiberglass ceiling insulation. And then some of the other features that are standard is LVP walls throughout the whole home. These ones are beautiful. They have the 6-inch flat stock modern baseboards as well, which you'll see throughout the property here. And then they have the ceiling fan pre-wires, block switch, energy efficient flush mount LED lighting. But guys, this is one of my favorite floor plans in Hernando County. So if you want more information on this builder, please be sure to reach out to me. Their inventory changes daily, and it's one of the higher end builders in Hernando County, but still at a competitive price point. So guys, as you already know, we're local real estate experts here in Hernando County and the greater Tampa Bay area. So be sure to reach out to us for all the information on the new construction in the area. We'll always give you the latest information on inventory as well as any specials that are being run. And there's a huge choice of floor plans, sizes, and price points for everybody. Back to the video. So guys, that's going to do it for the Southern Crown Homes. Hope you enjoyed the tour of this property as much as I enjoyed showing you around. As always, be sure to hit the bell for notifications on the newest videos we release on new construction in Spring Hill, Brooksville, Weeki Wachee, Wesley Chapel, and the greater Tampa Bay area. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and be sure to leave comments down below and let me know what you thought of this beautiful home. Until next time, stay safe. I'm Ross Hardy from the Hardy team. It's time to love where you live.